turtle module in Python is a great way to introduce loops while creating interesting patterns. The turtle module allows you to control a turtle that can move around the screen, drawing as it goes. Here's an example using both for using while loop. Here are examples of creating various patterns. Let us draw a star. Here used forward function. Also you can use goto function to move the turtle to specific coordinates. Exercise 3. Draw a spiral. Use a loop to draw a spiral pattern. Experiment with different spiral shapes and colors.